The next recording stems from Bell Tower Bet, and interestingly enough, she states that she's living in an old hotel, and of course, like it seems to be the case with many old buildings, the hotel appears to inherit some paranormal forces. Things can be heard at night, and there's a rich history of documented events. Today, Belle wants to show us around a little bit, and she captures a person, or does she?
Hey guys, so I practice Wicca, and I live in an old hotel, so I thought it would be fun to walk the halls and the tunnels underneath the hotel and see if there's any ghosts. My rat and my vertebrae look like they have some stuff going on. This is a human vertebrae. Surprisingly, not much happening here. So this is my hallway. We're also gonna go visit a hallway where a guy died a couple weeks ago. Surprisingly, not much going on for how spooky and old my building is. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what?
So, what exactly is going on here? A black figure stepping out of one of the hallways, waves its arm, and then disappears to the right again. This is a really mysterious event. Looks like another person to me. Pretty humanoid, to be honest. But when Belle checks, the person seems to be gone, and there's no sight of it. So the question must be asked, is this just a skit played out to fool the viewers? Or something else going on maybe? All buildings inherit a lot of weird activity. Before we proceed, I want to introduce you to today's video sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. If you know my channels, you also know that I love to play games in my spare time. Raid Shadow Legends brings you amazing turn-based strategy action, packed into a AAA universe that you can easily play and access through your phone. You will select between hundreds of different and interesting champions, and then create a party which is tailored and built based on your own preferred playstyle. If you wonder about the future of the game, Raid just released their biggest ever update, Embrace the main event, the Doom Tower. A giant tower filled with 120 floors, a great selection of secret challenge rooms, and 12 rock-solid bosses you have to face. Believe me if I tell you, there's never been a better time than right now to start playing. To help everybody in their tower experiences, the Raid team will give you a special champion for free, the Bulwark. He is a literal wall and clan boss and will help you out immensely in the tower against all the grim bosses. Raid will also release 14 amazing new champions, alongside with a whole host of holiday events and tournaments. To receive another great bonus, hit the link in the description for your free Void Champion, an XP booster, 50 gems, some energy refills, and even an ancient shard as soon as you get in game. Look at the Bulwark. You'll find your extra rewards here in your inbox, which will be available to you for 30 days after activation. I see you in battle. On a trip to an old castle, namely the Hurst Castle in Hampshire, Tony Ferguson caught a really creepy looking thing peeking out of one of the windows. He states, "While we were there, I really felt like something was following me from room to room, but your mind can play tricks on you, so I tried to ignore it. But when I watched the video back, I was shocked. It's quite a scary looking figure. I didn't see the figure until I watched the footage back. Now, what could he come up with?" It clearly looks like an apparition is stepping forward into the window, and we can almost make out an eye. Was it maybe a former prisoner's spirit? If it wasn't an apparition, what else could it have been? It certainly was no employee. Let me know what you guys think. Tony is sure that he even could capture another apparition, moments after asking the spirit world to please manifest in the window if anything is there with him. So, what do we think about that one? Just another confirmation for paranormal energy. This video was sent by Antoine. It features a group of young travelers who were taking a trip to one of several caves in Italy that you can visit as a tourist. Many of these places are said to house old and unpredictable energy. In this case, the men of the group decided to check the old halls out for themselves for some reason. And they were in luck. At first it seems that nobody else was with them. But a brief moment later, they find an old woman standing in front of a shrine and is not moving once. Of course, the guys were freaked out and decided to make their way out of there as fast as they could. Was she a spirit? The following video was sent by Sophia, and it features a mother who caught her son playing around with her cell phone, which in itself is nothing out of the ordinary. He does this all the time. This day though, he pressed the record button while he was playing around in the house, and his mom Teresa was taking care of some errands. The recording was found afterwards when she noticed that there was a new thumbnail in the camera roll, so she hit play on that video. An elderly lady can be seen playing with her son. What's a bit unsettling though is Teresa is 100% certain that it is in fact her own mother who had passed away 2 years ago. So how is that possible? I mean, there clearly seems to be something wrong with the skin around her eyes, and the eyes are pitch black. So in my book this could be a legit capture. I've heard many stories about videos like that. Is it just a person that is looking like her late mother? But how could she have made it into the family's house? Let me hear what you guys think. The next clip was recorded by Hassan Bar, and he ventured into an abandoned part of a city which has been left unoccupied for a while after some landslides and earthquakes had overcome the area. Tonight he also caught some other unsettling activity. As soon as Hassan keeps investigating the ground floor for a bit, some kind of energy seems to be present in the very room.
Bismillah.
Was it caused by movement in the area maybe? Nothing can be pointed out for being the cause at this point, and we follow him further through the dark hallways. It is in that room where he potentially captures something even more inexplicable. What appears to be a figure with short dark hair is standing right next to him while he is panning his camera. Unfortunately, Hassan did not notice that he came across something unearthly. Maybe. Out of all things, a small fireball can be seen in the left corner, making its way up on a piece of rope. This is very adventurous for sure. Was it maybe a skit that Hassan had prepared for us here, or was it caused by Jinn? Listen closely as Hassan records what appears to be a crying child. For all we know, the area should have been abandoned, and certainly you would not expect another family nearby, but maybe there was. Check out Hassan's channel to enjoy this investigation even further. This video was recorded by a user called Cable Car Spy, and she states that one night when she was home alone in the house, she heard some inexplicable noises from the second floor. And then a moment after, the door in the living room started to move on its own. That's when she started recording. She shared the clip on Reddit afterwards and was looking for help. Let's check that out.
Okay, I don't know what is going on here. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. No way. No way. There's nobody here. There's nobody here. There is nobody here. This is insane. Oh my god.
Did you notice it? Let's check that again. A man is peeking down the staircase to the left. And no, apparently it was not another family member. She didn't notice it at first, only after watching the replay. Which is pretty weird, isn't it? So we can rule out an intruder, if it isn't a friend of hers. Maybe a paranormal incident.